2 o'clock now. We are heading to Burnham Park to ride in the spinning disc and roller coaster. The kids don't like to ride in a bike now. They just want to ride in the roller coaster and spinning disc. So we are here now in Burnham Park, and this is where the spinning disc and roller coasters are located. So we go this way. Wala pang passengers, Tagada and roller coaster, so bike na lang daw muna sila. Okay. There goes the kids. Talay okay lang? O malayo? Talia, try another shoes. We are here at Burnham Skating Rink, and the kids will try to skate. Sige, try it. Huwag patras, face there O, mauna ka tali, mauna ka, mabagal size na yun. Mauna ka, tali, mauna ka. Hold, hold. Huwag malikad. Ginagawa mo. Hold there on the rails. This is the roller coaster na sasakyan sana nila pero walang passengers. Dapat mga 10 bago under yan. Hindi makatayo si Talia. Ito naman kaming Talia. She's holding the rails.
Kanina nakaupo ako.
Yes, kanina nakaupo ka. Oh, there's Isley following us. And me, watcher. Isley, come on! Yan oh, we are here at the skating rink with Isley. Oh, magaling na. Magaling ka na. Oh, sige. Oh. Hawak ko siya. And Tala is there now, very far. Oh. Come on. Ano ginagawa mo? Oh, sige, lakad. Oh. Na! Get up! Talia there, oh. Ito naman isa,
Follow
oh.
the arrow.
Lobat na, lobat.
Tuwakan mo ako ng matigas.
Yes, hawak mo nga ito eh, oh. You say, sa skating rink?
It's so good!
What? Oh, ano gusto niyo? Tagada, roller coaster, mubak, mubak.
Skate?
Skate?
Skate.
Okay. Let's go home then. Skating? Okay. Okay, we're going home now. Okay, and the two are eating taho. So, what can you say, guys? Huh?
Bilhan mo ko skate?
Skates. Okay, I'll buy you there.
Can you buy me a...
I'll buy there in Pinget skates. Okay? Come on. Let's get out of here.
Mag-vlog